change means attached to the Japanese word. But the American word, wala stop giving that word. The first reason that
Hi, ma'am. 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 Ganda.
Flat tax is for 95% of all working families. But in an economy, the last thing we should do is raise taxes to the
Video? Video?
95% of all
Ma'am.
working families permitted and a nice person first. One of those stories that is Obama this one, allowing him to boost the percentage to benefit from his proposal for a permanent $500 tax for workers. That's how much either the Bush $200. The base check is that half divided and half insufficient, also not a whole success. But I mentioned of his proposal under bash tax. Lastly, when the company has some specific factors, one of the company is that doing good jobs right here in America.
Doy.
But this appears that probably would revoke tax benefits for firms that own jobs. For the sake of personal security and the future work plan,
YouTube. YouTube.
10 years, finally end our dependence on oil from the Middle East. Washington's been talking about our oil addiction for the last 30 years. John McCain has been there for decades of them. In that time, he said also a higher competition for crops. Not investment in renewable energy, not renewable energy. Today, we work labor the amount of work at the big that senators must do office. As president, I will stop our natural gas reserves from there to grow technology and find ways to save carbon. Fairness program.
Ma'am.
And help our own companies to efficient parts of the nation are grown right here in America. Make it easier for the American people to afford these new cars. Bisak ka ng $150 billion over the next 60 will affordable.